To demonstrate user-friendliness, we will like to begin with a remarkably simple way the user can configure browser lists in any module of the system, such as customers list, or inventory items list, or sales documents. Special care has been taken in order to create a uniform and ergonomic interface. The user can sort, use filters, display new fields, group and export data in several formats, including MS Excel with a few simple moves. Another useful feature is the dynamic search capability in active browser lists. The user can dynamically search data in any list using the dynamic search tool, which limits the displayed data filtered by the typed characters. The user can also copy-paste data between columns. When a list of data is displayed, selected data can be copied from one column to another or to records of the same column, for which there are no values. The data to be pasted follow the rules and controls of the receiving column. Copy-paste of data between columns can be done for fields of all available types, such as date, text, numeric, and table. The user can drag a field on any browser or report entry, allowing the automatic filtering by that field. For example, the user can choose and drag the field code on any report, which will then be automatically executed using the specific customer code as a filter. Another unique feature is the use of Google Maps to locate customers recorded in SoftOne ERP. This functionality can be used for the creation of a proposed route. Furthermore, the application can be used to send text messages to mobile phones collectively to selected recipients of any list. This can be very useful if, for example, the company needs to notify all customers with total credit balance of more than €5,000 or customers with orders that are ready for dispatch. Apart from text messages, the user can also send an email, update a campaign, and post email-related actions in the CRM module. Now, in CRM, the user can utilize preset modules for the administration of daily tasks such as calls, meetings, emails, and other general actions. User-friendly administration of actions through personal or group calendars, mass creation of actions, linked actions, intelligence analysis of actions. Action history displayed in flowchart format, email procedure management, import-export, and tasks for data exchange with MS Outlook are only a few indicative features of the functionality available to Softena users. Let us now see some of the functionality incorporated into our management intelligence system. Softone report data can be automatically converted into pivot tables to facilitate understanding and processing. This applies to all application browser lists containing numeric data, which can be automatically converted into pivot tables. No experience in pivot tables design is required. The report can then be saved in the format preferred by the user. Softone has also incorporated predefined business intelligence scenarios in order to help you have a better understanding of your business.